In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Binance P2p to buy crypto. What is P2p trading? A Beginner's Guide 2025 edition. Before we dive into the step-by-step instructions, let's briefly touch on what P2p trading is. P2P or peer-to-peer trading allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrency directly with other users. This method can offer you more control over who you deal with, the payment methods you use, and often better rates compared to traditional exchanges. Let's get started with using Binance's P2P platform. First, you'll need to open the Binance app on your device. If you haven't already installed it, head over to your app store and download it. Once you've opened the app, navigate to the trade section from the bottom menu. You should see an option labeled P2P. Tap on that to enter the P2P trading environment. This is where you'll conduct all your peer-to-peer crypto transactions. Next, tap on the buy button at the top of the screen where you can select which cryptocurrency you'd like to purchase. A range of options will be available to you, but for today's guide, let's use USDT as an example. Choosing a well-recognized cryptocurrency like USDT can be convenient as it's widely accepted and can be easily traded. Now, it's important to select a seller. You'll see a list of sellers offering the crypto of your choice. Look for sellers who have good ratings. Ratings are a feedback system that indicates a seller's reliability based on previous transactions. A higher rating generally equals a safer transaction. Alongside that, pick a seller who supports your preferred payment method. This could be a bank transfer, e-wallet, or other means that you find most convenient. You'll need to consider both the payment method's availability and any fees associated with it. Once you've picked a seller, it's time to enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to buy. Depending on your needs, this could be a small amount for new users testing the waters or something larger for those more seasoned. After inputting your desired amount, tap the buy button. This action will prompt you to send the payment via the method you've chosen. After you've sent your payment, immediately return to the app and tap on Payment Made. This crucial step notifies the seller that the payment has been made and they can begin to process your request. Now, take a moment to relax, as your job is mostly done. You'll need to wait for the seller to release the cryptocurrency to your account. Once the seller confirms receipt of the funds, the crypto will be released to you, completing your purchase. Remember, communication is key. If there are any delays or issues, you can use the in-app chat feature to contact the seller directly for clarification. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to buying crypto on Binance P2P. This method not only gives you more control over your trades, but can also be a cost-effective way of expanding your crypto portfolio.